What's up, everyone? Welcome to Recipe or Disaster. We make the recipe for you and give it our review.
Today we're going to be making dill pickle dip from Noble Pig.
Noble Pig. Bacon royalty.
What?
It's noble, yeah. Crown. Get your bacon crowns ready. Alright, before we get started, we need all of you guys out there to share this video. And the reason we need you to share it is because if we get to 300 views, then I'm going to be drinking a smoothie that you pick out for me. It can consist of up to 5 ingredients.
Put your recommendations down below in the comments box and let us know what you want to see him drink next week.
5 ingredients. If we get to 300 views, I'll drink the smoothie that you pick out for me. Let's go ahead and do that. That should be a good time for you guys. So I'm sure you're not going to be nice and pick, tasty ingredients. All right, so anyways, let's get started. First, we're going to do some stuff.
First, we're going to prep the pickles and the onions.
Now it's time to combine everything in the bowl except for the pickles.
What do you say? Except for the pickles? Except for the pickles?
Except for the pickles.
No pickles included here. And you mix real well.
Now it's time to refrigerate for 3 hours. 3 hours!
So it looks like we'll see you in 3 hours.
All right. And here it is, looking like potato salad. Let's get the close up. Mmm. Mmm. All right, in the video they showed eating with pretzels, but we're gonna be using these Ritz. Not sponsored by Ritz, but we could be.
I can't reach it, so can you bring it down?
All right.
Alright.
Going in. Digging in. Cracker broke.
Kind of smells like it should have eggs in it.
My cracker broke again. I don't even have any cracker left. It's okay.
Feels like it's missing something.
Yeah, a lot of it.
I don't know what to say. Like, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's not something I would make.
No. I
Again?
won't make this again. No, definitely. No, we won't be making it again.
It's alright.
It's okay.
You can definitely like taste the seasonings. So it's not like overwhelmingly pickly, which is good, but I think it's okay.
Okay. It tastes like broken dreams and disappointment. Well, out of 10, I'm gonna give this, that was super easy to make. Didn't cost that much. But it's just okay. So I'll probably give this a 3. 3 out of 10 for me.
I'm with him. 3 out of 10.
3 out of 10. There you have it.
All right.
Noble Pig, what's going on, man? Up your game. What is this crap? All right, well that's it for today. Remember to subscribe and like the video.
Hit the bell icon.
Yeah, that way you get notified of all our videos when they pop up.
And do not forget, share this video so we can make him drink something nasty next week.
Yay. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Take care.